Let us discuss one question related to center of mass. But here the question we will use integration. Why? Because we have to find the center of mass for continuous mass distribution. How do you find the center of mass for continuous mass distribution? You will divide it into small elements. So what is the given element? A rod of length AB, whose linear mass density is given by Ax plus B. What is linear mass density? Mass per unit length. So that for any small length dx, what is the small mass will become? Lambda dx. So here they are asking find the distance of center of mass from end A. So this is the reference point. Now divide into small pieces. Consider one such element, small element. Let's take the mass is dm. Now the position of that small element is x. Then how do you find the center of mass for the total rod? First you will take the position of center of mass of the small element. Then for the center of mass of the whole element we will take it as integration x dm by integration dm. Here the body is linear, so only one coordinate will be there. If the body is like a planar body, then two coordinates will be there. Then you have to go for ycm also. But here only xcm. Now what are the limits? You have to consider such elements from A to B. So what is the total length of the rod? L. So what should be the limits? 0 to L, 0 to L. So that the position of center of mass, because this is reference, let's take y axis and x axis. So from the origin, what is the position of center of mass of the rod? So integration x dm, dm is lambda dx. So x lambda dx whole divided by integration dm is lambda dx from 0 to L. Now lambda is, you substitute it. So x into ax plus b dx from 0 to L by integration ax plus b dx from 0 to L. Now here if you multiply integration ax square dx plus integration bx dx from 0 to L, 0 to L whole divided by, here integration ax dx plus integration b dx from 0 to L, 0 to L. Then if you go for integration and substitute the limits, this you will get it as al cube by 3, because x cube by 3. This will become b x square by 2. So b l square by 2 whole divided by, this will become a l square by 2 plus this is b l. So if you take LCM, so 2 or l square you take common here. So it will become 2al plus 3b whole divided by, here you take l common, so that will become a plus 2al plus 2b, and this 2 will go up and this 3 into 2 will come down. So here additionally 3 will come, 2 get cancelled, LL get cancelled, so it will become L into 2AL plus 3B whole divided by 3 into AL plus 2B. So this is how you can solve the questions related to center of mass of a system. Center of mass of a system or a body with continuous mass distribution. So the method is, consider one small element. Find the center of mass for that given small element, considered small element with respect to reference. Then go for the integration. Then you will get the position of center of mass for the whole body. So that who is utilizing here? The whole question depends upon integration. So the concept is simple, but the calculation is lengthy and difficult because of mathematics.